Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hey, I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday the 15th, another beautiful day today. Looking good for a while. Maybe some rain next week. We need some, as it's getting pretty dry here. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network. And yeah, we're always griping about something. Too hot, too cold, too dry. But we'll enjoy this day for sure. That's the Birmingham Skycam looking good from the top of the Daniel building. The sky mostly sunny, a few mid-level clouds around. How about the Skycam in Haleyville? That's our newest Skycam on the network up in Winston County in northwest Alabama. Nice look at downtown Haleyville. Bright, sunny, late winter afternoon. And way down south, that's a big boat. The battleship USS Alabama at the northern tip of Mobile Bay, as seen from the Skycam down in Mobile County. Looking good. The core of the stronger winds aloft have shifted north. That's the reason it's still mild. The cold air is shut off. And again today, generally speaking, temperature is a little warmer than forecast. The guidance has been struggling with this. The statistics were spitting out, 64, 65 today. Looks like numbers range from about 63 to 71. 63 at Gadsden, that's the cool spot. Montgomery, again, low 70s. Tuscaloosa, second day in a row where they've hit 70. Birmingham at 66, and we stay way up in the upper 60s and low 70s each day for the rest of the week, and obviously we'll need to adjust the guidance numbers upward. And around the nation, look at that warm air coming up through the high plains. Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, that's a big thaw right there. 70s all over Texas, and again, the cold air really confined, in this case, to the far northeastern corner of the United States. Watches and warnings, all of them are basically out west, except for the northern tip of Maine. Got winter weather advisories and a few winter storm watches out there, mainly for the mountains of California, Nevada, Utah, the Wasatch Mountains. But again, around here, it's quiet. QPF chart, quiet. Suggesting maybe a sliver of moisture across the Tennessee Valley. But again, and we'll mention a slight chance of a shower Friday or Friday night, but more than likely we stay dry through this period, and this is valid through Sunday morning at 6 o'clock. Let's take a look under the hood, if you will. This is the 12Z GFS valid at noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. Gentle northwest flow aloft, a little wave east of the state. Should be a beautiful day. Lots of sun. The GFS is 66, the NAM 68. That means we'll probably do 69 tomorrow. Upper 60s are likely. And again, West Alabama probably touching 70 again. Thursday looks good. The NAM is at 71, and that sounds pretty good to me. GFS is much cooler, and we'll throw that out. Friday, you can see the battleground there. The prime storm track is up north. Those waves are passing up on the Canadian border. Got a warm 588 ridge over the Gulf. And a strong surface low is way, way north of the Great Lakes in that trailing front with zero upper support. And again, I guess we'll still mention a slight chance of a shower Friday afternoon or Friday evening, but obviously it's not going to be a big deal. Again, low 70s likely, maybe mid-70s in spots on Friday. Going to be awfully mild. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, that new high tries to nose in here as the front just kind of dissipates. But again, I think the idea of trying to back the numbers down don't make sense. We'll probably just leave the high close to 70 on Saturday. And the same thing on Sunday. The GFS is showing 71. Sure looks good to us. So really and truly, a lot of days coming up will be in the low 70s. And again, maybe mid-70s or a day or two. And no rain. All right, next week, big trough over the west. We got a broad southwest flow aloft developing ahead of the trough over Texas and the southern plains. The 588 ridge is centered near Key West. And down below that, again, there's a deep surface low near Detroit with the trailing front that might kick off a shower. But again, not a lot of rain there, just kind of widely scattered showers and very mild, mid-70s. Tuesday, the front just goes nowhere, kind of stalls out. And again, some evidence of maybe enough moisture for a shower somewhere, but nothing too robust. Wednesday of next week, the main moisture feed off to the west, the 24th. Model trying to show a pretty good rain event over the Tennessee Valley with a cold front easing in here. But you see, it's kind of like a cold front graveyard here. And just maybe at some point we'll catch some rain next week. And on the 25th, drier air begins to move in. So, again, we'll see. Let's go to March 1st, deeper in the forecast. Now, that's a good-looking wave. Negative tilt short wave. 1,000 millibar surface low at St. Louis. That would be kind of stormy for the first day of tornado season, if this happens to be right. And then March 3rd, dry air takes over, but no cold air. Again, no sign of any cold air for the next 16 days into early March. Now, trust me, we'll have some cold snaps. I'll almost guarantee you that into March and April, but next 16 days looking pretty mild. And again, maybe we'll pick up some rain along the way, but certainly not much in the next week or so. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Weather.